Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this really simple neutral eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. I'm using my Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette again to create this eyeshadow look. This is something really simple. If you don't want to have a lot of eyeshadow on your eyes, but you want to feel like you're wearing something, this is a really pretty look for that. It is making my blue eyes pop for sure. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. And if you could, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell to let you know when I am making more videos. That really helps my channel. Thank you guys so much. So if you are ready, let's get into the eyeshadow look. All right, let's get into the eyeshadow look. I have a hockey game to go to tonight. My son is in the city finals, and this could potentially be their final game if they don't win. So it's a do or die situation. And today was the eclipse. It was rainy here and miserable and cloudy, so I don't know, nothing really happened, just looked cloudy. So I'm just going to use this line of 3 colors right here on the lid. As long as we keep this inner space here bright, that's the only part you kind of have to worry about with darker colors and deep set eyes. So I'm just going to take my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer, and I'm just going to use my finger and just pat that up on the brow bone. I just want to soften the look because I'm not going to put any eyeshadow up there. I just want it on the lid, but I do want to tone down the brow bone a bit and just soften the look of the eye. I'm going to start with the shade M12 and just a flat domed brush. I'm going to dip into that darker shade and I'm going to apply it to the top part of my lid and in my crease. I'm just staying right on my lid here. Like I said, as long as we don't go in here with the dark colors, we're okay with the deep set eyes. Just gonna take a fluffier brush and blend that out a bit. I'm going to take another flat domed brush. This one's a little bit fluffier than the first one. This one's a little bit more precise, so better with deeper tones. And I'm just going to go into the next shade, which is M8. And I'm just going to follow along the same shape, but just further down the lid. So this is kind of going on the middle part of my lid. Now I'm going to take this brush that's a little bit more rounded and dense and smaller, and I'm going to go into the lightest shade, and I'm just going to brush that along my lash line. And I might actually mix some of the shade right beside it, which is M3 over top, just to add a little bit more peachiness to it. This is a little bit bright white. I just kind of want to tone it down a bit. And then you can go over it again with M8. It's all just about blending and layering till you get like the desired look. I don't want it to look like a line going across, but I do want the brightness there along my lash line. Can even dip into the darkest color again. Again, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just kind of blend it all through onto the crease a little bit, like into the crease and a little bit above. So I just tight lined and I put on some mascara, and this is the final eyeshadow look. So simple, so pretty, just gives a nice roundness to the eyes, makes them look a little bit fuller, and you can just see you're following the shape of the lid, keeping this inner part of the eye bright so our eyes don't look more deep set. They pop, they're brighter, they're wider. Using a little bit of any kind of cream bronzer that you like, or bronzer just up on here just to soften this brow bone area, so it's not like you have the brightness pulling the brow bone forward and the darkness on the eye making it look like it's receding a little bit more. And I kind of like doing this more on the lid sometimes, just when I don't feel like having depth and deep colors on top of my brow bone where it feels like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Like this feels really light, but it's still a really pretty eyeshadow look. It looks even prettier in person. My eyes look a lot bluer. If you don't have the Makeup by Mario palette, you can always use your favorite 3 neutral colors where you'll have something a little bit deeper, has a little bit more warmth to it, middle tone that is a little bit on the cooler side, and then some light colors, light ivory, cream tones that you could use for the lash line. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. If this is something you do with your eyeshadow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.